And for a second day, India has recorded over 24,000 COVID cases in a single day. 24,248 new cases were detected, 425 deaths in the last 24 hours. On Sunday, India replaced Russia as the country with the third most COVID infections. The total number of COVID cases in India now stands at 6,97,413 and the death toll stands at 19,693. Well, let's go across to Sukirti for more on this. Sukirti, the recovery rate remains at 60%, 60.85%. What's worrying is the positivity rate this morning is 13.42%.
Well, yes, the recovery rate is something definitely that has been giving us hope all this while when we compare, the number of patients, because the total numbers, if we see the total cases so far, nearly 7 lakh cases in India so far. But what we've been getting relief from is the fact that at least over 4 lakh people have recovered. But at the same time, as you mentioned, the positivity rate increasing is always a big source of worry, because we have been increasing our testing numbers in the last few days. We have been conducting at the pan-India level about 3 lakh tests per day. But one hopes that as we go on testing more people, the number of people who are turning positive should be lesser. And until yesterday, our positivity rate had come to about 10%, but now it's back to 13%. And that's something that we want to be reducing as the days progress. But the positivity rate going higher is definitely going to be a big cause of worry. And also the number of deaths. We yesterday saw about 600 deaths. Today we are seeing over 400 deaths. So that again, while our death rate is still around 3%, but these numbers of deaths, going over 400 to the 500 range, that is also going to be a big cause of worry. And we've now left behind Russia in the world rankings. And if you look at the past 10 days also, the number of daily spike in cases that India has been reporting is almost 3 times to 4 times more than what Russia had been reporting in the last 10 days.